Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Krita tutorial how to text shadow. So as example, I will create text. You can click this text tool and I will create in here. You can tap the names like into Pazuket and I will set for the text height into 72. Click save and then you can close. Now if you want to make shadow from this text, you can select the text object. Go to layer, right click, and then you can choose layer style. So in here you can check for drop shadow, and then you can click, or you can edit in here. This is for the size, and this is for the distance. You also can set for the opacity in here. Okay, that's it for a basic Krita tutorial, how to text shadow. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.